Most guys walking around right now thinking they are a 4 out of 10 are actually 8s or 9s hiding behind terrible daily habits. You look in the mirror and think you were just dealt a bad hand in the facial aesthetics department. But if you look at almost any top-tier male model, actor, or influencer before they got famous, they looked completely average. They simply learned the specific mechanics of facial optimization. In this comprehensive masterclass, I'm going to walk you through 7 highly effective, science-backed steps to completely overhaul your face. The best part about this system, your body is designed to adapt quickly, meaning if you follow this strictly, you will be looking at a completely different man in the mirror in just 60 to 90 days. Let's get straight to work. Step 1. Facial fat. Here is the brutal truth that nobody wants to accept. You could have the exact same jawline as Henry Cavill or Brad Pitt, but if it is buried under a layer of facial fat and water retention, nobody is ever going to see it. When you carry excess body fat, your face is often the first place it decides to store it, resulting in a puffy, round look that completely ruins your facial harmony. No jawline exercise, expensive cream, or trendy haircut will fix a face that is simply carrying too much weight. Going from 25% body fat to 20% might not look like much in your face, but going from 15% to 12%, that is when the hollow cheeks appear, the jawline cuts like glass, and your eyes look deeper and more striking. You do not need to look like a stage-ready bodybuilder to achieve this. To do this, you need to calculate your maintenance calories and subtract 300 to 500 calories to create a sustainable deficit. Combine this with lifting heavy weights 3 to 4 times a week to preserve your muscle mass. Step 2. Oral hygiene. Listen to me carefully. You can have perfect bone structure, amazing hair, and designer clothes. But the exact second you open your mouth to speak, if your teeth are yellow or your breath is bad, your attractiveness drops to absolute zero. People are biologically hardwired to associate oral health with overall health, genetics, and cleanliness. A bright, clean smile subconsciously signals to everyone you meet that you respect yourself. If you are still using a cheap manual toothbrush from the grocery store, you are living in the past. Invest in a high-quality electric toothbrush. The ultrasonic vibrations remove up to 10 times more plaque and stain-causing bacteria, but brushing alone is only 20% of the battle. If you want truly phenomenal breath, you must start tongue scraping every single morning. Scrape it off front to back 3 times every morning, and your breath will instantly neutralize. Next, you need to address the color of your teeth. Pick up a pack of reputable whitening strips and use them just twice a week for a month. This will safely lift years of coffee, tea, and food stains without destroying your enamel. And finally, do not neglect your lips. Dry, crusty lips ruin the frame of your smile. Carry a matte lip balm and apply it whenever you feel dry. Step 3. The high-definition canvas. A lot of guys completely ignore skincare because they think it's complicated, feminine, or just a waste of time. This is a massive mistake. Your face is the very first thing people look at, and your skin is the canvas that presents your features. If you have a great jawline but your skin is covered in acne, redness, and deep eye bags, it completely distracts from your underlying structure. You do not need an overwhelming 10-step routine. You only need 3 foundational pillars: cleanse, moisturize, and protect. Get a gentle, pH-balanced facial cleanser that matches your skin type. Wash your face only twice a day. And immediately apply a high-quality moisturizer while your skin is still slightly damp. Then apply a lightweight, non-greasy sunscreen every single morning as the last step of your routine. Step 4. Strategic grooming. Grooming is literally makeup for men. It is the legal cheat code to instantly alter the shape and balance of your face. Let's start with the most underrated feature on a man's face, the eyebrows. Pluck the hairs in the middle and clean up the strays underneath to instantly make your brow ridge look stronger and your eyes look sharper. Next is your facial hair. If you have a weak chin or a soft jawline, a beard is your best friend. But you cannot just let it grow wild like a caveman. You must sculpt it. And finally, your haircut. Your hair is responsible for balancing the overall proportions of your head. If you have a round face, you need a haircut that has tight, faded sides and volume on top to elongate your head. If you have a long, oval face, you need a haircut with a bit more length on the sides and a fringe or messy top to shorten the forehead. Step 5. Facial expressions. You can have the most symmetrical, perfectly structured face in the world, but if your default expression is a nervous, wide-eyed stare, you will look deeply unattractive. Attraction is largely based on the energy and vibe you emit through your micro-expressions. The first thing you need to develop is a strong, relaxed, resting face. Most guys carry tension in their forehead, raising their eyebrows subconsciously, which makes them look anxious and submissive. You need to relax your forehead, lower your eyebrows slightly, and practice what is called squinching. Spend 5 minutes a day in front of a mirror, analyzing your face. Find the angle of your jaw that looks best. Practice a genuine, warm smile. When you combine a relaxed, confident resting face with a warm, genuine smile when you greet people. You become instantly magnetic and highly charismatic. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you liked the video. See you in the next one.